On Windows 11, optional features are components that are not essential to operate the system, but they can add extra functionalities. By default, the operating system comes with some of 3 features installed, such as Internet Explorer mode, Notepad, printer management, Windows Media Player and others. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to install optional features on Windows 11. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open Settings on Windows 11. Click on Apps. Click the Optional Feature tab. Click the View Features button in the Add an Optional Feature settings. Select the optional feature to install on Windows 11. Click the Next button. Click the Install button. Once you complete the step, the components will download and install on your computer. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.